Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Step up your game with the Corsair Vengeance a7200 series gaming PC, powered by an AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPU, NVIDIA registered GeForce RTX TM30 series graphics, and Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO DDR4 memory. Dynamic RGB lighting brilliantly illuminates the system, with powerful Corsair iCUE software to control lighting, fan and pump speeds, and more.